traveling like 20 miles an hour because I can't. Oh shit balls! Oh crap! I was just in an accident.
You was in an accident?
Yeah, I'm okay. My car just flipping on top, miss.
I go out of my way. I know my lifestyle is
Jesus Christ.
which listed Ronald Platt and Elaine Boyce as the parents.
She gave no real explanation for that other than
tied it around my head and look at it. It felt good, it was weighted.
I do not honk like that. That is
God damn it,
profane.
now honk on a bitch. Move! Get over, bitch!
Oh goodness.
That's when you have rage, you big bad bitch. Excuse me. This in the middle of the highway. Good thing they didn't slam us.
and that's why I have that.
Shut up. I don't want to know.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
3 hours later.
Again, with the people in the middle of the road.
You have to stop.
Where's the cop?
Oh God. Really? No, we're not gonna honk.
No, this is not a honking situation. You people need to get in the turning lane though. You are going to cause an accident. Can I get over?
No. Too many blind spots, me.
Oh, someone's letting them go.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh!